Hi everybody, this is Melissa Southern, Kyle Cook behind the camera for Bear Creek Photography NC, and we have your next monthly assignment. We want you to shoot a photo of your hobbies. Now we prefer a photo other than photography, so if you have other hobbies, we want to see your pictures of those. Do something interesting with your setup. If you like to cook, maybe do some interesting food photos or your ingredients or a bunch of pots and pans. If you like to garden, don't just show a picture of your garden, show us some of the implements of gardening, your spades, your seeds, anything that you have that you want to show for gardening. We've actually been working up a couple of setups inside that we want to show you, so to give you some ideas of what you can do with your photograph of your hobby. This assignment is going to be due on March 4th. Alright, so this is a little setup I've created this morning. I like to read. It's one of the only hobbies I really have outside of photography because I work a lot and have little kids, and that keeps me pretty busy, but every single night I make sure I read a little bit. So what I've done is stacked up a few books and the book I'm currently reading, and this explains why I'm not wearing my glasses because they're part of my scene. And I've got my cup of tea, and we've done some furniture rearranging because I wanted to use the window light. Window light is a nice ambient light source that you can use for your photos. And so what I've got here is I've worked this scene quite a bit. I've moved the table around, I've shot from different angles, shot some higher and some lower, and I finally decided this is the angle I like best. Now one thing that I have also done with this, instead of just the ambient light, I'm also using a reflector. In this case it's a Sunsoft reflector, and it just adds a bit of light in right in through here where it's dark, because the light of course is coming in this way, so we're going to add light in over here to brighten it up a little bit. And you'll get to see some of my progression pictures as well as my before and after on this particular scene. I don't know if you can see how well that is lighting up this side, but it gives a little bit more light to that tea mug as well as to the stack of books and to the edge of the book here. So please, we want you to try to do things like this, to try to add interest to your hobby. Do some nice lighting, not just a photograph of a stack of books or pots and pans, but actually some interesting lighting with it. That's what kind of our goal is for you to try new things and to get some interesting shots out of it. Then we have another shot we want to do, a little setup for you too, to kind of give you another alternative of something that you can do.